I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today, we're going to be doing orange creamsicles. I love these things. It reminds me of my childhood. They are so good on a hot summer day. And best yet, they're so simple to make. Let's get started. This is so incredibly simple. 3/4 of a cup of plant-based milk, 1 3/4 cup of orange juice, 2 bananas, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put all of that into your blender and blend it until smooth. That's it. It's really simple. Pour this into a popsicle mold. You're good to go. If you don't have a popsicle mold, you can pour this into an ice tray and just use little toothpicks to be the sticks. But I will put a link to my popsicle mold in the description below. I made odd popsicles. It's okay. Somebody's gonna get 2. It's all right. Just stick your sticks in there. And then you're just gonna let this sit in the freezer, for about 4 to 6 hours. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. All right, our orange creamsicles have frozen. Now they look like they're ready to eat. I can't wait to try them. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.